This is Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning. We're at number 309 Rolling Ridge Lane in Bartlett, New Hampshire. We just opened up the sewer line with a large soft clog and grease buildup. We are at the baffle where it enters the septic tank. There is a sag where it slows down just before it hits the baffle, so that's going to cause paper to build up and then train wreck right into this baffle T here. If you guys dig this up, I'd recommend going from 6-inch outside the foundation to a 6-inch baffle out there, so it's a lot harder to clog that baffle up. Alright, so we're going to start coming back slowly, and I'll show you the sag. So we're looking at the horizon where it's connected to the T to the septic baffle. And we'll start coming in. See how we start going underwater right here? So everything's going to start slowing down here. So we're about 92 feet, so it's about 93 feet to the tank from the cleanup from the far back. So we got all that grease all beat up and out of there, but we'll get you see how this is sagged right here, and we'll come out of that soon. So that's definitely going to have to be remedied. Now you see we're out of it, and now we're just going to head back towards the cleanup. Definitely want to get that fixed. There's a lot of grease in here, and we got this all cleaned up nice. Looks like above there's 2 cleanouts. There might be an in and out cleanout near the foundation area. That's 73 feet, and the tank might be 20 feet from the tank and the foundation. We unclogged the shower drains, and we unclogged the tub line that was here as well.
Both toilets.
Yeah, we're gonna move all the chairs and we're gonna paint it to the garage.
I hate to ask you this,
Yep.
what did you find khaki pants in there, right?
Yes. Set them up on the back sink over here out of the way.
Alright.
I've got stuff all
Do
over
your
my...
thing? Do your thing?
Yeah.
No, or not?
Yeah, you go from khaki pants to cucky pants.
We're camera recording it out, and we're all done.
Everything look clear now?
Everything's
Yeah.
good.
Absolutely, no.
Loads of fun, huh?
Hey.
That's why I don't do drain cleaning.
It's fun.
Yeah. I mean, it's got its ups and downs. Leach fields are fun, too. Figuring out where there's a random septic tank that someone forgot about 50 years ago is fun as well. Why is it back
like everything's all set, brand new, and then they forget to put the kitchen sink and the laundry drain into it, and that goes somewhere else that you don't even know.
Oh yeah.
We went to a restaurant up here in
Okay, exiting the pipe.
Lancaster. And,
Do a little
they
turnaround
just
so
got
you know
their
this is your
septic tank
place.
done, brand new. Had no idea there was a whole other septic tank at the front of their building, and it had backed up all the way.